In the Toronto real estate market, the shortage of homes for sale has been eased in March, but this is still a quite strong seller's market. Today, we are going to see a classic double garage detached home in the heart of Unionville, Markham. This house occupies a big land in a mature community, and there is a top elementary school, Berczy Public School, right behind it. So I think it will probably receive quite a few offers in the bidding. Let's guess how much it would be sold for. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. As you can see, this is a mature community as the trees are very tall. And then the appearance of the house is also very common in Unionville. The door screen is wide, the distance between two houses is decent, and the lawn of every home is spacious too. Now let's go inside of this property. Standing at the entryway, you can see a cathedral ceiling which makes us feel extra spacious. Here is a small hallway. A stair separates the first floor into two parts. Let's begin with the left one. The first room in the living room, quite sizable. It has a bay window, very adorable, letting in lots of daylight. The dining room is directly connected to the living room. It is also quite spacious with an 8-seat dining table. Once walking through the dining room, we are here at the kitchen. It has been renovated and upgraded. All the countertop is made of thick, wide coarse slabs, which contributes to a wide kitchen design. Here is a bay window offering a view into the backyard. From this angle, let's have a look at this U-shaped kitchen with a transition to the dining room. And on the other side of the kitchen is the breakfast area, next to the door to the backyard. In the backyard, there's a pergola on a deck so you can sit under it to have a barbecue and enjoy your summertime. Let's walk out. The backyard is a horizontal layout, decent in width. Right outside of our yard is an elementary school, Berczy Public School. Now it's the recess time, so we can hear those kids playing in the playground. Our family room is next to the breakfast area. It's really common to see this kind of handrails in older detached homes in Unionville. My own home also had that when I just purchased it. Over here, we have a fireplace, so this is our family room. Walking forward, we turn back to the entryway again. The powder room for the first floor is right here, and next to it is a study room. You can see it is not a small room. Actually, it has a window, so we can use it as a bedroom too. At last, this is the door to the garage. Now let's go upstairs to the second floor, the bedroom area. Here's the chandelier. Let's start from the left. The first room might be the master bedroom. It's quite wide, maybe 220 square feet, facing the backyard, makes it quiet. And the other side is a big walk-in closet. That's how it looked like from this angle. This is the master washroom. There's a double sink, so both master and mistress can use at the same time. A freestanding bathtub and a modern shower. 主人房继续往前呢，跟它并列同侧的另一间。The room next to the master bedroom is also very large. Outside the window, we can see the school. 小朋友们课间活动。好，这是第二间卧室的情况。I won't open this door. It might be a closet. This common washroom also has 2 sinks. Really convenient. A window and then a shower here. This is the 3rd bedroom. I find that every bedroom in this house is very big. Even this one is at least 170 square feet. Here's a closet and the window faces front yard. You can see these big trees. Let's go to the last room. Now we can see the entrance of the house. The last room is also very big, at least 180 square feet. 2 windows face the front yard. It has a walk-in closet too. All right, this is everything about 2nd floor. At last, let's look at the basement quickly. It's a finished basement with a kitchen, so it could be rent out. This is an open space without being separated into some more small rooms, but this space is decently functional. Over here, this is a bedroom with a window. All right, this sums up all about this house. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.